here. So Allison here. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make this slime with game and glue. But this slime is like sticky. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So first of all, we want to put game inside your container. As you guys can see, I'm using this big container, this size. Yeah. So when you actually put your game here, my game is purple because I have you want to add your blue as much as you want. So this is how much I don't want to waste it just in case. So I already added my glue and my game inside the container, you guys can see. So yeah, and then you guys know what you need, and it's already turning into slime. But I have to put it out and it's gonna be sticky. Look at my other slime. This one just don't want to put next to that. So this one is gonna be like the slime that I'm making is gonna be sticky. I don't know why. So yeah. Make sure that you guys have a napkin. This is all messy, all over, whatever. So yeah, so this is what I do in this. So you just take slime and do this. And I'll go away. And I'll be right back with it because this would maybe take a long time. So yeah, right back with it. Guys, as I was doing it, it went on the food coloring. Okay, which is, it is easy to take off. That's one thing. But, and then it went on my napkin. So yeah, this is how that's how slime is sticky. The one that you guys made, I made. Look, this is out in the way. No, my slime. Look, it's just like Spider-Man. I'm just getting the string. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. So if you guys don't like doing this, so you could take out, hold on. So you guys don't like doing this because it will take for a long time. So you could just rub your hands. With this boot, like, I don't know, it's the easy part. I'm doing this or rubbing your hands. So yeah, I'll be right back with you guys because I'm gonna take out my hands. Like, I'm gonna, like, you know, gonna take out the slime from your hands. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so wait, oh my gosh, you guys fell. You guys are falling. So as you guys can see, I got most of the slime off. That's how sticky it is because it like took me like 5-10 minutes. So yeah, and I still have slime on my hands. Look. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys the mess. Like, don't you remember the mess with the slime when I barely got it out? It didn't. Hold on, where is it? Because there's like still slime here. Just gonna take that out. You little. Oh my gosh, get out! pig. Okay. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the mess that was here. That's all gone. So yeah. So this is so like it's not on a table anymore, and look, it's like now this line. So yeah. So, look. Wait, what? Hold on. So yeah, and look, it's on me instead of the ground. So yeah guys, make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Leave a comment what you guys want me to do. Turn on the bell when you subscribe. There's gonna be a bell next to it. That's a notification. So the notification is like when I make videos. So yeah. So I'm just gonna give out one shout out today to a YouTuber, and her name is Cookie Road C. She's like the best. Like for real, she makes videos I think every day. I think, or maybe not sometimes. And Roman Atwood. So yeah. So make sure that you guys watch their videos, and yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and the likes I'll have 600 again. So yeah, and make sure that you guys leave a comment what you guys want me to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.